Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the sleek and stylish world of iPhone 16 Pro Max cases. Whether you're looking to enhance your phone's protection or add a touch of elegance to your device, we've got you covered. From ultra-durable designs to chic minimalist styles, join us as we explore the best options to keep your iPhone. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews.
Protect your phone in style with the iPhone 15 Pro Max case, designed for maximum durability and seamless MagSafe compatibility. This sleek case offers robust protection with shock-absorbing corners, safeguarding your device from everyday bumps and drops. Its slim profile ensures a comfortable grip without adding bulk, while the raised edges protect your screen and camera lenses. The built-in magnets align perfectly for fast MagSafe charging and effortless attachment to accessories. Available in a variety of colors, this case combines function and fashion, keeping your iPhone 15 Pro Max secure and stylish.
Elevate your iPhone 15 Pro Max's protection with the ESR military-grade protective case. This case combines robust military-grade protection with the sleek convenience of MagSafe compatibility, ensuring your device is shielded from drops, scratches, and daily wear. The advanced shock-absorbing materials and reinforced corners provide superior durability, while the precise cutouts ensure easy access to all ports and buttons. With its slim profile,
ESR for iPhone 15 Pro Max case compatible with MagSafe. Elevate your iPhone 15 Pro Max protection with the ESR MagSafe compatible case, designed for ultimate convenience and durability. Engineered with precise cutouts, it offers seamless access to all ports and buttons while ensuring a secure fit. The case supports MagSafe charging, allowing for effortless power-ups without removing the cover. Its shock-absorbing corners and raised edges provide extra defense against drops and scratches. Made from high-quality materials, this case offers a slim profile without compromising on protection. Perfect for those who seek a balance of style, function, and safety for their iPhone.